Hi my peeps, so y'all doing? Yeah, here's another video again where this little girl tell like on her dad that she saw him hooking up a woman. Look at this.
With our dad, we are gonna say that we saw dad hugging another lady.
Guys, you need to watch this video to the end. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Okay? Let's go.
Why you people are lying to me?
We're not. Me and Chanel went to the shops this morning with our dad. We are gonna say that we saw dad hugging another lady.
Oh, you can't say that. We'll cut out that hotel.
Going in now.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Mom, we have something to tell you. So basically, in the morning, me and dad and Chanel was walking to the shops. We kind of saw dad like hugging another woman.
Kind of. What?
Yeah, he was hugging another woman.
Yeah, he was.
You sure?
Yeah.
Miss about the area.
They was both laughing together. I know you'll be really upset, so that's why we have to tell you.
Can
Yeah.
they do that?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what I said to me.
Yeah. You need to call him downstairs.
No, me, I go up there to him. Are we at the record? The
No.
Lord God, hey, is it a bit near wicked enough? Lord, what you gonna do to your poor little man now, eh? My God.
Which woman that me say you gotta go?
Woman, I hug a
Oh,
woman.
you never did?
Here again, my God.
My God, look at no man. Trouble little pit name cause now. That pit name give problem man, Jaja.
I hug a
Oh,
woman.
you never did know say me I go here.
I never hug up anybody. Why should I hug a woman when I have him?
No, Kenny. We hear it from a good sources. Say you that over somebody.
Lie!
Over somebody out the road.
I just want to destroy my relationship, yeah?
Kenny, listen to me. You're a big man, you know. From when since you start to walk up and down about the place and about people.
Look this.
No, that not do nothing.
I respect this.
That not
And
do.
love.
You laugh. You look at my face. Me look like me laugh to you.
When did I do that?
Not
Where?
today. In the morning.
Today where?
When you go shop.
Don't lie on me. So who told you that? Come, Shina Rene.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah?
Which woman did you saw me with?
I saw you with like a lady that's wearing like a dress, like a yellow dress.
Hey, well, the man, they make him man get heart attack and strokes, you know. Because we don't what kind of thing that tell him man, man, so not, Lord have mercy.
Kenny.
Why you people are lying to me?
We're not lying.
Yeah, you have a
My
you have
God,
a right
you
to
know,
choke
man.
because you
Trouble
know
little
them.
man,
Them
that
are
pit name
telling the
give problem,
truth.
Jaja.
Yeah, we are.
Kenny, you
No,
see
no, no,
you-
no, 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 no.
No,
If it's a joke,
listen to me, Kenny.
can I talk?
No, you can't talk at this particular time.
I can talk.
Just keep quiet.
I will not
Listen.
tolerate that because I did not hug any woman.
The people they see you.
Come here.
Liar.
Come here, Jeffrey, come here. So why are you blocking me?
So where you want?
Why are you trying to hurt us?
Kenny, listen to me. The people they can't look on you and tell lie on you like that.
Some of these women don't care, you know, they don't matter. As long as I hear woman, they don't really want to work out nothing, you know, it's ready to jump and attack.
This is look like a joke.
And a joke saying.
No. It's look like a joke.
Chanel, listen.
Yeah?
Me not in a no joke thing.
Yeah?
Did you see Kenny hug woman on the road? I'm very serious. Me not smiling.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
Maybe.
Your pardon?
Maybe.
Wait.
Don't cry. Don't cry,
What do you mean by maybe? Renee, did you see?
There we
I
go.
don't really properly see it, but
The two no move on no backside fire.
But he-
Where? So why don't make me come up here and argue with him and I don't.
I need apology from you.
Which apology? Just stop in eyes. Listen.
Madam, I need apology from you.
Can you leave me alone? You don't
Listen.
move on a bumbo and go downstairs. Apologize to him, but me not apologize to him.
Sorry.
So, you know, guys, she don't want to apologize now. She didn't realize she didn't ask questions, she didn't investigate as much, she just attack. Anyway, I enjoyed the video, it's a nice video. Nice prank on your daddy, but be careful, you can give the man a heart attack or a strokes. You know what I'm saying? I wait for more videos. Apologize to the man, backside. You see the man show the ring and tell us that he mean. I love him not look at no other woman out there accuse the man. Apologize.
You ain't lying. Where y'all going? Sit back down. This movie ain't over yet. Where do you see this?
So guys, when I tell you guys that Jamaican parents or grandparents is the best, you need to watch this video now. You know what I mean? Watch this people and tell me.
Come Grandma. So basically, I was cooking all day today, and today we're doing testers. I want you to try it. It's for a school project. I want you to take one, try it, and guess the meat. That's
Oh, hell no!
Guess the meat. Let me know what you think or what type of meat you think it is. What do you think it is?
Me not gonna try it.
Okay, try it.
You should realize you're up to something, you know. You see, you asking many questions.
Try another one just in case your taste buds aren't moving that quick. What do you think?
Turkey.
No, you're close. Keep going.
Goat.
Nope.
And
No.
chicken.
Grandma, really? Is it good though?
I know, so I know so good, you know, but me not have already.
Okay. It's this new thing that we're trying. We don't usually do it, but
This is our
cat.
What do you mean? What kind of cat? What do you mean? What kind of cat?
Cat. Like, you know the cats that you see outside?
What mean puss?
Me rocks to one.
What mean puss?
Grandma say, mean puss.
Took one of those outside that we seen. We obviously chopped it up and we cooked it. We boiled it first and then we fried it. Yes.
A long time you know see you poison me, you know.
Yeah, mommy say, a long time you know you poison me, you know. And you still gonna eat from him. You like, you love your belly like ants.
A long time you know see you poison me, you know. Jesus Christ, deliver me. You give me pussy now.
Yes.
Why
You're overthinking
Then I
it.
will tell you.
It's overthinking. Hold on. Try the rest.
A dog next time I'll give you feet. I wonder if you go China. Check him if you can go China, you know.
Try the rest.
She's got a point.
How we know it's not I'm all drunk too. What TJ?
Yes.
It's not nice, you know.
What?
It's not nice, you give me push.
You're overthinking, Grandma. It's just a cat.
That push and cat not the same thing.
Yes. It's puss.
Then what you give me pussy now?
Because I want you to rate it. We're trying to start selling puss.
Jesus Christ. Next time you give me dog.
Yo!
Okay, there you go, my people. So I give you a video. Yes, I'm telling you that Jamaican parents are the best, you know. Grandmother, mother and father, they are the best, you know. That's why we so love it, you know. When we go to make jokes with our Jamaican parents, I'm telling you, it was worse when it comes to grandma. You know what I'm saying? So make sure to like and subscribe and give me some views on this thing and we'll build up the thing. Give them more video if you guys like it. Okay. Peace out. Love Topic TV.
You serious?